Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Today we are going to be back testing a famous indicator based strategy using a RSI indicator. For those who are new in trading, in 1978, Jay Wells created an indicator called RSI. He also created few other famous indicators like BMI, ADX and ATR. RSI, short for Relative Strength Index, is a momentum indicator used in technical analysis that measures the magnitude of a recent price change to evaluate overbought or oversold conditions in the price of the stock. The RSI is also known as an oscillator. Oscillator is basically a line graph that moves between two extremes and can have the reading from 0 to 100. So let's go to the indicator. Well, this is what an RSI indicator looks like. It consists of one line graph and two different levels, generally 70 and 30 level. So when RSI is above 70 level, the stock is considered as overbought stock. Similarly, when RSI is below 30 level, the stock is considered as oversold stock. Well, there is another level called a 50 level. Generally, when RSI is above 50 level, the stock is considered as an uptrend. Similarly, when stock is below 50 line, the stock is considered as a downtrend. Well, as always, there are a lot of strategy based on any indicator. Similarly, RSI is also considered as one of the most versatile indicator used in many strategies. But no one uses RSI on its own. This test will clarify why that's the case or if you can trade on RSI alone. So we are going to test a crossover strategy of this 50 level and RSI for entry signals. For those who want to know more about RSI calculations, I'll put the formula in the screen. You can pause and refer from the screen. As always, we are going to take total 100 trades on the 4 Nifty stocks displayed on the screen, which will give us better idea how a RSI and 50 level crossover strategy would work in an Indian market. So that's pretty much what you need to know about RSI. So hi everyone, this is Pranit from Trader Insight. So let's start the video. Now let me explain the strategy real quick. As always, we will be using a 200-day EMA. You can only long when the price is about 200 EMA. You can only short when the price is below 200 EMA. Let's find an example. So that you are looking for is when the price is about 200 EMA, you can only go for long opportunity. So you are looking when the RSI crosses 50 level from below. So let's go to this. RSI crosses 50 level from below and the price is above the 200 EMA. We are going to take a long trade on this candle. When it closes, we would buy here, set our stop loss to the nearest swing low, and then we are aiming for a 1.5 risk reward ratio. So this trade would have been a winner. And it's the opposite for a short trade. Only take short when the price is below 200 EMA and RSI crosses 50 level from above. And you would set your stop loss to the nearest swing high for the short setup. Anyways, so that's the setup. Let's test this 100 times and see exactly what the real win rate is. I'll let you know the full results after the test. You could also see the trade by slowing the playback speed in YouTube. Anyways, I'll start the fast forwarding now. So the tests are over. As you can see, total number of trade was 100, out of which 50 was win and 50 was loss. Winning percentage was 50%. Total gain in an account was 28.42%. Max drawdown was minus 8.9%. You can also see the equity curve and max drawdown curve. Continuous win in a row was 10 and continuous lose in a row was 5. Total duration of test was 1.5 months. So the strategy is profitable. As we know, the gain in an account was 28.42%, which is low compared to other strategies tested on this channel, whereas the drawdown is 8.9%, that is high compared to other strategies. Taking the trade just on RSI can be profitable, but I wouldn't advise it. RSI is a powerful indicator. It can be quite profitable if you use it along with other strategies. Or you could also use divergence strategies too, which will be covered in future videos. So I have added this strategy in the Google Sheet, link in the description. And this takes the fourth and which is the last position also in the list. You can check the list and review or rewatch any specific strategy you like. So if you like the video, please support us by subscribing the channel and hitting the bell notification. And do like the video and share the video. Please comment your feedback and trading strategies that you would like me to cover in the future videos. All the social media links will be in the description. Please follow us and show your support. More awesome contents are on the way. See you next time.